way under the lash and pull the lash up. And then comb through them. And if you feel a little bit of a tug, that's probably good because it's combing through a thicker part of the lashes and getting rid of the excess. You know? I hear the mailman. He sure has taken a long time to get around the neighborhood. Or is he just hanging out there? No. There he goes. Well, somebody had a lot of mail. You know what mails generally are. You got it, bills. Okay, I'm doing another pass. Coming through it. I'm going to get that end curl. Kind of go back and forth on it, this one on the very end, so that it really stands out. Because that's the eyelash that gives you that little butterfly look. And then make sure you point some towards the nose so you get your fan effect. And I just noticed I have a hair that's got mascara all over it. Grab that hair and get that mascara off. Nothing looks worse. Well, okay, some things do. Alright, then I'm going to tip the ends of the lower lash and get them nice and filled up. I've already done one pass, so just, getting it down the shaft of the lash. Now I'm just kind of tipping the ends so they're really defined and show up really well. Still might pass through them a little. There's almost like a blue-purple tone to this, y'all. It's so weird. Notice that on a couple of mascaras. I feel like the Thrive one does that too. It has like a color tone to it. I don't feel like I've got the inner corner over here very good. And I don't feel like I tipped these out over here as well as I tipped out the other ones. But they have mostly dried, so I can't, see, I hit the skin. Time for the tip. There, got it. Problem is I need one more. Is it touched? I deposited color from where I pulled that off. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Yeah, see how this looked like they're fanned better than these. I don't think I did a very good job of tipping these out and then fanning them out. So I'm purposely, if you'll notice, I'm going a lot slower, and what that's doing is depositing a lot more product, and it's also curling it back towards the crease, like I'm pulling back like that. See how it kind of stands them up more? Oops, I got a little goop. There, got it. Did I get all these? Good. Y'all making a lot of mistakes. I'm out of sides on that Q-tip. I need a new Q-tip. Not Q-tip. These are not Q-tips. Q-tip is a brand. These are Face Secret buds. I think they even call them makeup applicators. They're more knowing that you're going to use this for makeup than like an ear wipe or an eye wipe or anything. There. Yeah, I'm actually going to use this to get some of the fallout. It's not good at all. Yep, there's another piece of fallout. It's like some of that dark color. It's like a powder. It's not good right under your eyes. Just because it looks like you blinked and you got little spots there. There we go. Let's just see if I do one more pass what will happen. See, because it's not waterproof, it's not dried out, and so I just can keep adding and it's not drying. The bad news is it's drying a little. The bad news is that means it's probably not likely to hold the curl very well. So there's that time when we do what, y'all? We just kind of decide that we're done. I mean, there's only so much. How long do you try to perfect it, you know? I feel like I'm done. There. I don't know how I got 2 of these. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I must have liked it. Oh, and here's my voluminous It is voluminous, not voluminous, because there's an I between the M and the N, so it is voluminous, not voluminous. Lash Paradise from, this is from L'Oreal. That's from Tarte. So, and this is one of my favorites. It looked really good the other day, if y'all remember. So, anyway, so this is the final look, right? And we got to share doing it, and we also got to share, hold on. No, my necklace hit my mouth, which has got lipstick on it. And then it laid on the white shirt. There, I wiped it off. There's my little piece of koa wood from Hawaii.